Well, hello everybody, welcome back, and we are in my marketplace store, and you know you want to know because there's always good things happening here. So like and share the video on your way in. Hype the video, please, please, please. Share it simply by looking below, hit the share icon and your Facebook icon. Share it to your Facebook news feed. Please, 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 that is the best way to reach the 1,000 views that YouTube has asked us for. Let the video play all the way to the end, please. Super, super important. Leave us a comment. I love you bunches for doing all of those things. And if you haven't subscribed yet, look, don't wait another minute. Go ahead and hit that subscription button now and the notification bell, because here you will save so much money every day on all kinds of things. And if there's things that you need to save money on, put it in the comments and we will get you a scenario together. Now, if you have problems making scenarios come out good, by good I mean at a good price point, sometimes it's simply chemistry, because that's what I've discovered what this is combining certain items to make a boom deal, so to speak. So that being said, we're going to, well, do some combining. Alright guys, we've got a $2 store coupon, and I like this one much better than the other store coupon because you only have to spend $10. And we have these Temptations on sale, 2 for $15. You'll get $2 off of this, and so you'll be getting 2 for $13. That is an awesome deal. It is a store coupon. It should work with your 5 off of 25, but I'm not sure, because we know the other one will not stack with your 5 off of 25. And of course we will not know that until Saturday. Alright, so this is a really awesome deal for the price, much better, 2 for 15, than this one right here. Okay, so like I said, sometimes that does not mean better. Sometimes the sale does not mean better. Sometimes, you know, you have to look a little bit deeper. Alright, next up here, Fancy Feast. We have the Fancy Feast. We have the 50-cent earn, and we have a 50-cent off of 7. And they are on sale here for $1 a piece, which is a really good deal because they're normally $1.20, I think, or $1.25. So good deal there. And that being said, look at this, $12.75 for 12 cans. Okay, $12 for 12 cans, plus your $1 in coupons and earns. So it would be $11 for 12 cans. Alright, now we do have slight sale on the Tidy Cat litter, 50-cent sale. We also have on that $2 off of 10, it is good for some dog treats. So in case you don't have a kitty cat and you got dogs, oh, there they are. The Dinner Chews way up top there, $3.45. Spend 10 again and get $2 off. And remember, it is a store coupon. Now, look where we're at. And boy, do I like this section because we've got so much going on here. Number one, you see all those orange tags? I've seen several since I've been in this store. When you start seeing these orange tags, we know what that means, right? We have another clearance event coming up very soon. And they have to move some of this stuff out to make room for their Christmas stuff that's already in their back rooms. So, yeah, gonna be soon, guys. So start prepping for that. Now let's talk about the 275 Blade air fresheners. I think we have an earn for that. I will scan and see. But I want to tell you about a scenario that I have. That's an any day scenario. We have so many coupons for this fragrance stuff. And if you are a fragrance person that likes to fragrance up their environment, well, let's talk about this. We have got in a scenario of Febreze for the $6, okay, because we have a $3 off. We have the Febreze for the bathroom for $6 because we have a $3 off. Okay, you also have a $2 off on the one Febreze But that's not in our scenario because we really didn't need it. Alright, your next thing is we have a $3 off of a Airwick starter kit and $4.25. There it is. We're going to pick up one of those. And then we have a $5 off one of the refill packs for said starter kit. Alright, all of that together, any day of the week, let me give you the exact math. Any day of the week is going to be $11.75 for all those items. I'll put the deal right here so you can see it. But if you do this on Saturday, because you can, it's right there at it, you're going to save an additional $5, which means this stuff's going to cost you like $6. Winner, chicken dinner. You know, like I said, if you're a fragrance person or you're a resale person, either way it goes, it'll help you out. Look at this, guys. My favorite deal is back in, and it is the buy one, get your spaghetti noodles absolutely free. And you know, I thought my cupboard was full of this until last week I went to go get me some spaghetti noodles, and yep, so it's time to stock up on this. This is an awesome deal. Do it with a 5 off of 25 with a couple of other couponing items, and well, it's all but free. And well, free food anyway. Alright, we're actually going to do, I think, 2 of these, because you can't get this at Walmart for this price. You just can't. So we are going to pick up 2 of these. And they actually have a little bit more here at the Marketplace store than they have at my store. I don't know why I'm going to tell you about baking, because it's 114 degrees outside of here. So ain't nobody around me going to be baking. But anyhow, I'm going to give you some stuff. Biscuit, we got $1 earn on this. This is great stuff for your cupboard. Okay, maybe not for right now, but for later. You mix some of this with some of this, and you have, and a little bit of brown sugar and butter, and you have got you an awesome peach cobbler. Okay, just so you know. And then you got earns on your Betty Crocker brownie mix. Oh, we got Kentucky Colonel seasoned flour, something new, and it is on sale for $2. That's probably only here in this store, because like I said, this is a Marketplace store. Because look at all the brownie mixes: Supreme Original Brownie Mix, Supreme Triple Chunk, Fudge Milk Chocolate.
Excuse me.
Chocolate brownie mix, the salty caramel, the Reese's, the Oreo. So, what a variety. Okay, let's do a little price comparison here. The Jif, my favorite, but it's 2 for $8. Skippy, well, which is my number 2 favorite, is $3.25. So 2 of these would be $6.50. You know, better deal. Peter Pan, smaller jar, is 2 for $5. Kind of in that order, guys. But then we got the Welch's 2 for $5. And since the kiddos are going back to school, that is a great deal. I am distracted. Look at this. Old-fashioned apple butter. That is so pretty. $3. That's not bad. Not bad at all. And none of these food deals are bad. Why? Because on Saturday you can save an extra $5 off. So if you take advantage of all these sale items and put them in one transaction and still only save $5, you're saving much more. So you know. We got a new earn up to $1.25 off this Pure Leaf tea. They're $3.60. That's a really good deal. And well, you know, winter's coming, and we drink coffee during the winter mostly. At least that's when I drink it. And we are having some really decent coffee sales. We got the Cafe Bistro, 2 for $11 and 2 for $8, and I think we have earns for this. We have the Folgers, 2 for $11. Look at that deal. These are normally $8.95. This is normally $16, $17, almost $18. So the savings is phenomenal with this. 2 for $10 on the current cups as well. Those are normally $14, $15, $16 right there. And on the is that, no, the original donut shop, 2 for $12 as well. And the McCaff, 2 for $12. Those are, $8. We have the Seattle Best. It is not such a good sale, but it is $6.50. But like I said, we have some really good sales on the coffee. And look here. Here they have the flavored syrups. We got caramel and the vanilla flavored coffee syrup. And as always, we're going to take a little tour of their dollar aisle. Oh, we've got some different stuff here. We got the Ashley Bell foaming face wash. We do have some baby oil, and that's really good for makeup removal for those of you who, want to do it a little bit cheaper. Oh, look at this. Oh. We have got the 8 wipes on the go. I'm assuming they're like smaller wipes. They are not flushable wipes, but these are really cool. We have the Ashley Bell facial wipes. And we have the large disposable Yardley washcloths, which I really like. They'll make you feel very fresh, guys. Very fresh. And they're alcohol free. And they're $1. I don't know which one. They both have the same. So we're going to get one of these, I think. They have a good assortment of stuff, guys. A really good assortment of dollar items. Over here. Dryer sheets. Ooh, a lot of different ones. Little dollar candles. I am looking for a air absorber. Something that absorbs odors. This is also the store with the great clearance. Look at this. Even the cat litter this time, guys. So be keeping, your ear out. We're gonna have one soon. Alright, guys. I'm gonna head out of the store. I got my little buggy on the top all filled up with goodies. And we will do... Ooh, what we got here? This is the $2 instant savings on the ball jars. Okay. You have the True Living too, but it's the ball jars that they're giving you $2 instant savings off of. And to be quite honest, these are the True Living pint jars. They're $1. They're jars. But if you're canning, if you're just storing, yes. If you're canning, go with the ball jars. Alright guys, I'm headed out of the store, and I'll see you next video where we'll save even more money. Because you know you want to know.